separate video. Maybe I'll break that out. Hyper 3 reg die. To pull this sleeve off. You can put a key in here. I think it's the huge guy right there. And this guy right here. That was a good thing that it came off on the top, in my opinion, because then you have access to the piston easier. There we go. We'll slide the sleeve off. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Hyper 3. Stacks out. Got some, I don't know, maybe that is dye slick lube. Wrench marks on this guy, no biggie. Something that I always keep on my desk is a Maxiflex, whatever brand it is, because usually sometimes I guess that was on there tight. Yee. Collar comes off, more dye O-rings. And we will pull a rig seat. See what we're dealing with. Ooh, rig seat's in great condition. Excellent. Swap out all these guys. This is the dye, like, hides those in there. 7. Woof. Okay, we're back. Easiest way to get this guy in, pinky up there, drop in your O-ring, and then with the ball end, something you're not going to pierce it with, fish it around in there, push it into place, and then you're good to go. this guy. And then, so of this portion of the piston, this is the face that interacts with the reg seat, and this is the portion that interacts with the O-ring. You want to lube the shaft and not the tip. Sorry. Because you don't want a bunch of lube on the tip. So we're going to lube the shaft, and then we're going to wipe away the tip. Reload this guy. That guy. I like to set these a little past flush. That's about where they end up. And these do not need to be tightened at all. Just set it there. Sleeve goes back on. Actually, through the hole that way. There we go. Force this down. Don't have to, but it just makes it easier. There we go. We're exposed. Let's swap these guys out. I believe this is a 15. Nope. I'm pretty sure it's 15. It's been squished. Also 15. All sorts of tool marks on this guy. Again, doesn't need to be tight. We're gonna just snug this up. That's it. Hyper 3 rig done. Okay, let's move on. Oh, yeah.